Hello everyone. Welcome to C Cluster Lifecycle Cluster API release team meeting. Today is 30th of October 2024. Reminders as usual. We follow the CNCF code of conduct, which is like being nice to each other and respect each other, and use hand raise feature if you want to speak up. And also this meeting is recorded and later uploaded to YouTube. Okay, let's start. The first list from the agenda. First thing from the agenda is from me. It's like just heads up. Next week we have a beta release scheduled. After that, I think yeah, we will not have any meetings because that will be a KubeCon week. Yep. Next one is like a CI team. So I think yeah, Stefan, you're here. Yeah, please.
Hey, yeah, what's going on, Sinan? Thanks. So just wanted to give a quick update on that. We had that sort of big issue with the cluster cut upgrade tests. There was a PR that I merged yesterday to hopefully address the first one on that list. And then so we'll see. I mean, I think we need to give it some time to check the impact. And then also just wanted to say for the CI team, there are the other two below it, that X509 and this is the parent issue. Some of them are I don't currently have anything in progress for them. I'm trying to, as I have bandwidth, take a look. But if anybody else has time, I think those two right there in the middle of the screen, the X509 and the failed to run cluster cuddle version, would be good to pick up and see if we can get make some progress on them. So just flagging those two. Anybody from CI team who's on the call or who watches this recording. And not to put you on the spot, Adil, but we had some discussion in our CI team group message today. Do you want to share any findings there, or still just work in progress?
Yes, I was checking the open flake issues and just trying to close if I'm not seeing any flakes. There was this one flake that is fixed. I need to find the links. I will post it in the. Let me quickly check the chat and share it in the document.
Oh, and I see you did close. We did confirm that one that you were working
this one
to.
I have shared in the chat. This one is closed.
Nice.
And there is this issue related to the deletion of cluster. I'm also sharing this one in the chat. But I don't see this one anymore in 1.8 and main. I only see it in 1.6 and 1.7. So I'm not sure if there was some fix that was merged. Recently, I was asking in the CH chat. So I'm not sure. I will comment on the issue also that we are not seeing this anymore in the main and 1.8. So and there is another issue, another flake that is happening. It's related to this this test cluster cache health check. And I think as Stephen has shared, fix for this is already merged, so we might not see it anymore. But let's see. I will keep an eye on it. I didn't create the issue for this one, but I can share the the triage link for this one in the chat.
I think
It's
that
not
one
a
might
very
still be happening. It looks like there was a failure on main just today, and that fix that Stefan merged was 2 days ago.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, I've
Good.
seen this one even in the PRs also. So this is something we can look into. Other than that, CI is not looking bad. I think it's looking okay. But this deletion flag, um, if it's not in main and 1.8, then we are fine. If we still see it there, then I think we should look into it. Stephen has already mentioned in the comments that maybe we can disable this test, or we can, because if it's failing, it might be masking other flags also. But let's see what maintainers decide on this one. I will comment that I'm not seeing this in 1.8 at main, yeah, 1.8 and also on main. I will on the issue. Let's see.
Yeah, so Adil, this one, so I was just trying to reproduce this three failing test and the delete. So you're saying you don't see it anymore in main or 1.8? Or you mean it's still,
Yes,
it's okay.
yes, but it's still in 1.6 and 1.7. I was checking this triage. If you so not open the triage board, let me share a link.
Yeah, would you
This
please
one.
add the CI logs for it here as well? So
Yes, I can share that.
Yeah, Adil, if you point
Yeah,
to me,
this one.
which
Yeah,
one is that?
yeah, this first flag.
Yep.
And if
Yeah.
you see the jobs, they are like 1.6 and 1.7, all of them. I
Yep.
don't see any, yeah, I don't see any main or 1.8. So I'm not sure how that fixed that got fixed. If there is PR is merged or not. I will ask on the issue. If someone has merged any fix, or maybe we change something in the main and 1.8, and this flag is still there, but it's just the error is different, or I'm not sure. I will ask in the issue end. Yeah, that's mostly it from my side regarding CI. Though CI is looking fine. I don't think we have anything. This is the only issue that is this deletion flag is the only one. I think that is the most. The spikes that you see, yeah, I think coming from this one, I think mostly.
Yeah, I agree with you, Adil. So I was
Yeah,
checking.
also like I was checking the logs for this one. It's bit
Yeah.
for 1.6 and 1.7. We don't have, there is a one specific log we added in 1.8 and main, that if the cluster is failed during the deletion, we collect the logs for that cluster in a separate folder, and we try to see why it failed, the deletion process. And the problem is we don't have it in 1.6 and 1.7. So maybe we can backport that logging part to these branches so we can see why it's failing there. I can open a PR for that, where we are collecting logs for the failure when the deletion is failed. Um, and we can debug this one more properly, I think, with those logs. Um, I can open a PR for that.
Yeah, thank you, Adil. Yeah, that
Yeah.
would be great actually, even though if it's like in 1.6 or 1.7, would be nice to see that if it's not a lot of work, would be nice to backport that
Yeah,
chain.
yeah, it's not, yeah, it's like really small chain, so I can open up here for that.
Yeah, and also I was saying that yeah, CI was good, really good, and thank you for the whole CI team for maintaining it. Yep. Thank you. I think we went through all the listed issues here, right? Yep. Okay, next agenda is from me as well. There is I opened a PR regarding this C-class lifecycle mailing list change. It's not very big. So please go and check if I missed something. Yeah. I might miss some changes or some more change required. Yeah, please let me know. That's it. And I think that one doesn't really affect that much. So the mailing list change doesn't really affect us. Only the announcement. So we should be careful that we send to new mailing list, for example, release announcements. Yeah, that's it. So we can check the timeline and also the project later. So here we are. So I need to open a PR for bumping dependencies. So I will do that this week, and next week we have a really beta 0 release. Yep. Here we
I
are
think
now.
oh, sorry, forgot to raise my hand.
Yeah, please.
I think when we cut the beta 0 release, that will also create the release 1.9 branch. So we need to also open that PR to start running CI on the new release branch. Does that sound right to people?
I think I need to check that, but with the RC release, I think we opened the branch. Am I wrong?
No, I think we're agreeing then. Yeah.
Not
Yes,
beta, not beta. So for the new branch,
Oh, got it. So it'd be
yeah,
further down.
yeah, it's from here with the RC 0 release.
Yeah, it's there written in the week 15 line number. Yeah, in week 15,
Yeah.
third one.
Yeah, setup jobs
Oh, is
dashboard.
there? Okay, cool.
Yeah. So we just cut for beta from main. So yeah. All right, and let's check the project table. Yeah, I just okay. If anyone has any updates on the task they're working, yeah, please. I think CI team already went through that. We will not go through that again. Yeah, this one is like a C cluster lifecycle mailing list change. So yeah. Is there any update on the release tool generates
I'm
WK3?
working on the release node tools, line number 13.1. For 14.1, I checked with Rajan. He was also working, but I will check it again.
Yeah,
Um,
okay. Sure. Yep, I think we went through all the issues here then. Any last comments, questions, any updates or anything? Now it's time, please go. Seems no. Yeah, then thank you very much for joining, and see you next week on this meeting. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Have a nice rest of the day. Thank you.